Crispy, super delicious pan-fried cauliflower fritters. Whether you want a crispy, low-carb snack or a meatless version of fried fish, these tasty bite-sized cauliflower florets makes a great snack or side dish. Lightly battered, crispy, and perfectly tender inside, this will be your new favorite way to eat cauliflower. Your kids will love them. These are the ingredients you will need. 1 small cauliflower head or half, 3 eggs, a half cup flour for dredging, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon thyme, a half vegetable cube, vegetable oil for frying. Visit our Facebook page and YouTube channel for the full recipe. Enjoy on its own or drizzle with garlic sauce, or enjoy with a delicious courgette or zucchini tomato sauce like we did. We will be sharing the recipe for the courgette tomato sauté in the next vlog. Where are you from? And do let us know how the crispy cauliflower recipe turned out. Have a great day.